this is how you can use the select to speak feature in Chromebook. So this feature is extremely helpful if you want to get a feedback about text that you read on the internet or on a document, and maybe for some people that cannot see properly or have some problem with their visions, then they can just listen to the content that they're consuming. And this feature is available natively in Chromebook, so you don't have to install any third-party apps or Chrome extension in order to get this benefit. So for example, I have this article, this blog post from Google, and let's say I want to listen instead of reading this article. So how do you do that? Well, it's really simple. First, you have to open the settings page. Let's click Launcher, open Settings, and here you want to navigate to the accessibility. This is the menu that we are going to see to get the text to speech feature. So this is the one that we want to enable, text to speech, and enable select to speech. Click on it, and this is actually the settings that you can see. So you can select the default language, you can select the voice. There are some options depending on which one that you prefer. I'm going to be using the default voice, and also there is a preview if you want to test how the voice is going to sound like. Okay, it's still downloading the system voice. Oh, it's very dim, it's not very loud, but that's okay for now. And then there is also system voice settings. You can change the rate, the pitch, the volume. I actually not going to touch anything here. I don't know what is the best setting, honestly, so I'm gonna go with the default setting. And also we have the option to change the language automatically if the content was written in multiple languages. And there is the highlight option. Again, I'm not going to change any content here, any setting. I think it's just too much for me to change anything. I think the default setting is good enough. So when you're done, you can start browsing the web and then selecting the word that you want to enable this, or you want to listen instead of reading. So let's try this sentence. And we just need to right click and listen to select the text. Okay, well, I actually didn't expect this. This is, I believe, a new feature because Google has been recently working on some AI stuff out there. So if you want to get a natural voice, which is going to be better, you can use that feature. You can click continue, or you can also use system voice, which is going to sound more robotic, but it's going to be a lot faster because it doesn't have to be sent to the Google server. So it's really up to you which one that you prefer, but I'm gonna go with the AI human-like voice because I think the experience matters a lot. Let's go with that. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try that again. Okay, there's something here. Oh, sorry about that. So I'm going to try it again. Okay, I think that is good enough for now. It's very helpful for people with impaired vision to consume content by listening instead of reading. So there you have it. That's how you can use the select to speech feature in Chromebook. And not to mention, now we have the AI model to produce more human voice compared to just a simple robot voice, which is very amazing. Not to mention, we got it for free. So there you go. That's how you can enable select to speak in Chromebook. If you find this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.